So I went to two different motorcycle events, two different weekends, and I talked to owners of these type of motorcycles, of the Lowrider S, and mine makes a noise, and I told them if theirs makes a noise, and they told me that they heard it, and they said that's not normal. So you can't hear it because of the engine and the pipes, but it's a buzzing sound, and it's coming from in here. I've mentioned this before to the dealership, and they say they couldn't find anything, but it's like it seems like it's louder now.